A Google search for the best places to visit in monsoon does not feature Purulia, but as you will witness throughout this video, the beauty, the landscape and the panorama of this region is unmatched. Our 3-day road trip to Purulia starts at Joychondi Pahad, the setting of the famous Satyajit Ray movie Hirok Rajar Deshe. This area is barren and prominent for rock climbing during the winter months, but during the monsoon, it changes into a dramatic lush green vista. Narrow winding village roads lead to this very beautiful destination. The lack of basic facilities and the general poverty of the place is the harsh reality of a region to which Mother Nature has bestowed so much beauty. Before a short climb to the top of Joychondi Pahad, where a temple of Ma Chondi is situated, we spent quite some time in this panorama. To reach Joychondi Mayer Mondir, we had to climb about 450 easy stairs. The walk through the shadow of moss-laden large trees is itself very tranquil. With about 50 steps left to the top, we reach this old observation tower. Durbin Ghar or telescope room, we were told. As with most old structures we encountered on this trip, this was also in dire need of restoration. Breathless, not from the climb, but the view from the top. The earlier panorama was impressive, but this is beyond imagination. A prayer and gratitude for all that we perceive. May Joychondi Ma grant her blessings to us all. Being a hilltop, this offers a 360-degree view. With increased visibility due to clear monsoon air, the view stretches out to infinity. The hillocks, each standing proudly with their unique stance, the dotted farmlands, lakes, forests, villages, and with a background of soft clouds moving across, this was a scene from the fantasy realm.
After spending way more time at Joychondi Pahad than we had planned for, we started towards our second destination of the day, Garpanchakot. About 20 kilometers from the Joychondi Pahad via the Asansol-Purulia road, it took us about 45 minutes. The rain gods were once again kind to us and it stopped raining when we reached. The word God translates to fort, and in this area lies the ruins of a fort destroyed in the 1760s by the plundering Borghese. A great deal of study has been conducted about the history of the fort, and you will be able to access quite a bit of information even on Wikipedia, but unfortunately no preservation effort is visible. Time and nature will grind the footprints of humans into dust if we do not act, and in case of Garpanchakot, the action needs to be urgent. The Pancharatna temple with the Panchakot hill in the backdrop forms a beautiful setting. We had our lunch at the Kaka Hotel, comprising of delicious deshi murgi and rice. In the meantime, it started raining again, and we decided to follow Google Maps as far as the road goes. almost got stuck a couple of times, but we did make it to the end of a mud road which had a little space to turn our car around. A beautiful half-an-hour drive on roads winding through lush forests brings us to our next destination for the day, Panchit Dam. The last of the 4 multipurpose dams in the first phase of the Damodar Valley Corporation, the Panchit Dam over the mighty Damodar is 4.6 km long and connects the Purulia district of West Bengal with the Dhanbad district of Jharkhand. The Damodar, swollen with monsoon rains and stretching out to the horizon, is a spectacular vision. The traverse up and down the dam is an experience not to be missed if you are in Purulia, especially during the monsoon season.
Our final destination for the day is Boronti or Muradi Dam. We had planned to reach Boronti Lake before sunset, but the excess time we spent at Joychondi Pahad meant that the beautiful sunset was in progress as we were covering the 40 minutes distance from Panchit Dam. The smooth roads and the brilliant ambience made this drive one of the most pleasurable. The sky still had the last colors of the setting sun as we drove around the Boronti Lake. Though we missed the sunset at the lake, the evening was truly mesmerizing and a magnificent completion to a brilliant day's travel. We spent some time by the lakeside and it was already getting dark, but we were reluctant to leave. We still had to travel more than 100 kilometers to Ajodhya Pahad. We hope you liked this video. Do watch the other 2 parts of this series on Purulia in monsoon. Please share this video and subscribe to our channel for more great videos.